Hi guys, this is Erika from the Toy Loverz TV review channel, and today we have a Chubby Puppies obstacle course race. I'm so excited. We have two Chubby Puppies here with us today. We have Shih Tzu and Bulldog. These two Chubby Puppies are gonna race up against each other, so let's put them in action mode. I'm gonna win. No, I think I'm gonna win. And the grand prize will be this Shopkins basket. What? You heard me right. Shopkins! Shopkins! Yay! So we have a surprise basket. This is from season 3. I'm so excited to open these up, so I wonder who's gonna win. Let's get started. Okay, so the first dog that's gonna race today, the hostess with the mostest, the cutie with the booty, is Bulldog! Yay! Whoosh! And his teddy bear. Now, he says that he has what it takes to beat the great Shih Tzu. But I doubt it. So now, let's stop the talking and let's get walking. Let's race. Let's turn you on and let's see who wins. He's gone through the tunnel. He's going over the seaside. He's going through the path. And he's almost home. Yeah! Wow, what a performance, Bulldog. Now, Shih Tzu, you must be nervous for this. Okay, well, do you think you have what it takes to beat the amazing and fastest Bulldog? Okay, well, maybe he's kind of fast. Okay, so you guys both know that the winner of this race is up for winning a basket of Shopkins. Who's ready to race? Shih Tzu is. Now he will be leaving his bacon here today, because if not, he won't fit through the tunnels. And are you ready, Shih Tzu? He's warming up. He's getting ready. He's almost ready. On your marks, get set, go! He's made it through the tunnel. He's going over the seesaw. He's going through the path. Now look at this sight. Pitbull, will he win? And he's made it with no help. Yeah! Shih Tzu has maybe won Bulldog. Our judges will come in shortly to give you guys the results. Okay, I'm the judge. So after closely analyzing both videos, the grand prize winner of this race is Shih Tzu! Yay! As the winner, you have won a great basket of Shopkins! I'm sorry, Bulldog, but you were a great contender. Thank you so much for your hard work. Bye! Okay, Shih Tzu, now let's open up this basket of Shopkins. Are you excited? Yeah! I'm so excited! Okay, let's open this basket. I'm so excited. I want to see what Shih Tzu has won, which Shopkins Shih Tzu has won. Okay, here it is. Shopkins basket, season 3. And this cute little piece of toast and a milkshake. I love milkshakes. They're so good. My favorite is chocolate. Now, you guys in the comments down below can tell me what's your favorite shake flavor. And here are 2 little bindy bags. Ooh, this one's flat. I hope it's a piece of toast or something fun. And we have our great, awesome receipt. Are you excited, Shih Tzu? Okay, so let's open this one first. It's super interesting. And it is a cell phone. Look at how cute. It's so adorable. It's so adorable. Now let's see what we got. It should probably be under here, under homewares. And we have got Mobile Mary. Cool. Now she's pink. I wonder what that means. Let's turn it around. Ooh, she's ultra rare, which is awesome. Congratulations, Shih Tzu. You have yourself, what was she called? You have yourself a mobile Mary. Let's put her in the basket for you. And our last Shopkins is... Ooh, what is this? Let's see. Okay, it looks like we got Shady. Cool. There you go, Shih Tzu. Your 2 Shopkins as promised. Thank you and congratulations for your win. Congrats. Yay. You've won the great race. Let's see if we can do a little victory lap. Close enough. All right, guys, well, that's all that we have for you today. Thank you very much for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And there'll be more upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Bye, guys. Yay, you won again.